Anybody?
Well, good hump day to you. It's Dan. I want to welcome y'all to my home in the sticks. Lord of mercy, I hope everybody's having a sure enough good Wednesday. It's the middle of the week. Lord, Friday can't get here quick enough. I thought I'd give y'all an update on the Project Shaded cucumbers that I have going on over here at my home in the sticks. I'm going to show you what I found this morning. So give me a second, and that's what we're finna do. All right, come on. Look at there. Got some cucumbers that germinated for me. And if you notice, that tag says International Pickler. I went ahead and sowed those out 7/15, and today's the 18th, 3 days later. Booyah, got some cucumbers. Immediately put them out here under my shack roof, just so they can get some light. Got them watered from underneath. The last, I guess a couple of videos back, I actually tried to germinate some of my Boston picklers. Don't know what was going on with them. They germinated for me quite fine last year. Don't know what went on with them this year. Better safe than sorry. I went ahead and actually sowed in some of those International Picklers as well. I think a day later or something like that. It might have been 2 days later. Just to ensure that I was gonna get some cucumber plants come up. And the International Picklers did. So happy about that. We are well on our way to getting those cucumbers into a pot up underneath my my shop, and we're going to try to run them up on that wire that I have between those two posts in the shade. Project Shade Tree Cucumbers. Let me show you this too. I actually went out to Delos and I got a big bag of potting mix. I really like this Stay Green potting mix. It's some good stuff. I also have bought a couple of bags of some composted organic humus and a bag of this Stay Green flower and vegetable soil. Okay, Dan, what'd you get all that for? Well, the Stay Green potting mix, that is going to be for the cucumbers. Once they are big enough to actually pot, I'm going to give them a couple of more days to mature. But the other stuff, and I'm just going to let y'all in on it. It's going to be some really cool stuff. Let me see if I can get over here. Mark Bracey over at Bumblebee Junction. He and I are doing a collaboration. Mark is the grower of all things over there, and he's actually got some tree starts that he is sending me. Should get them over the weekend. And he and I are doing a collaboration on pretty much how we actually harvested the starts, and I'm going to try to do the propagation end of it. And once those get in and I get set up to do it, you know, I'm going to take you and y'all along with me because I like to share. It's going to be some cool stuff. But that's what that Stay Green, that big bag of Stay Green flower and vegetable soil is for. As far as the organic humus, that is going in the 16-foot raised bed over there with the trellis system on it. I'm going to try to get some more peas going, some more, not peas, well, yeah, peas, some pole beans going, and I need to go get it, but yeah, let me go get it. Mark, look here, brother. They came in. They was actually in the mail today. Mark over at Bumblebee Junction sent me out some Monte Gusto pole beans and some Vortex pole beans. I want to say one of these or both of them may be of the wax bean variety. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to put a line of pole beans, Kentucky Wonders on one side, and a line of these guys on the other side, and see how it goes. I'm going to amend that 16-foot raised bed with that composted organic humus. What I've done recently or in the past is I actually amended it with Black Cow. Mark Bracey and I have been going back and forth on what's good for your soil. If you watch any of his videos, you will see that his soil over there at his home place is like, it's pretty. I don't know how you would describe somebody's soil other than, dang, that's some fine looking soil. And he grows some stuff. He suggested that I mix in some of that organic humus, and we sure enough gonna give it a try. So it's gonna be a short video, y'all. I wanted to give you an update, and Lord have mercy, it is warm out here today. I just wanted to give you an update on what I found as far as the cucumbers. Got some to germinate. In the next couple of days, we may get a video up of putting those cucumbers in a container and hanging them over there on this thing right here. Looking forward to that. Maybe we can sure enough get us some cucumbers going and have some into the fall, possibly. We're just gonna see what happens. All of these are projects that I'm working on over here. New things, gotta try new things in gardening. And I'm thankful for all of the folks that have actually watched my last couple of videos. Well, I thank everybody for watching any of my videos, but I've had some real good input as to how things grow that I did not know. Growing is a learning thing, and that's the only way we learn is by making mistakes, right? So hopefully we'll get these cucumbers up and going. Yes, that was thunder you heard. Looks like it wants to come down again. So again, I hope everybody is having a wonderful hump day. If you like this video, go on and give it a thumbs up, they help. If you haven't subscribed to the Homely 6 channel, oh, the mercy y'all need to come on over here and give me a look, because I'm always doing stuff, really. And with that being said, you know it's coming. Dan sure enough always gonna say it. Don't let nobody dull your shine. I mean, nobody. You get your shine on, especially when you're trying to get some Project Shade cucumbers going. And Lord, we will see you and y'all in the next video.